bit of oil. And what does oil does? Oil will nothing but it just nourishes your hair. It actually makes your scalp, helps in making your scalp clean because you're going to wash it with shampoo. It is very easier. It also reduces the frizziness. Sweta Girish, this is the answer for it. When the process, if you start doing it, obviously you'll find a difference. First, oil your hair in a less amount, and after that what oil does it nourishes your hair. It reduces the frizziness. It also reduces any kind of problems whatever you have, and any oil you can use. That is for sure, any oil whatever you have, that is coconut oil, olive oil or castor oil, any oil of your choice. So that is done. The first point is detangle your hair. Second point is less the better. The third point is oil in a very less quantity and oil it in a circular motion like this. You can see me, not like this, so that again you are making your scalp weak. Are you understanding what I'm telling? Never do that because you're making your scalp weak. Just do it in a small circular motions where your blood circulation increases, and blood circulation increases, it will automatically increase your hair growth. It will automatically increase whatever problems you have, it will start decreasing. If once the blood circulation increases, your hair growth, your scalp, your pores, everything starts cleaning, because the next process is washing your hair. I hope I'm clear by now. Till now whatever I've told, the first point is very easy. Make it in a routine to detangle your hair first, and whenever you're oiling your hair, lesser the better. And the third point is massage your hair at least for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the third point. And we are coming to the next point is how many minutes to oil your hair, because all of them have that problem. Okay, you soak it for overnight, you'll have healthy hair, you'll have excellent hair, but please do understand, people who are having excess of problems like hair thinning, dandruff, these are all your inviting problems. Come to me, I want all kind of problems. You are doing that, so that is not required. The less you oil, and just before you're going bath, just apply it for 30 to 40 minutes. That's more than enough, and you don't have that much time also. 15 to 20 minutes is more than sufficient to oil your hair and go for bath. If you're a working person, that is more than enough to oil for 15 minutes and go take bath. Because the more you leave it overnight, you are inviting for dust, because oil attracts dust. It also attracts all the pollution which is around it, and all this happens, it will form of dandruff, and dandruff is a form of hair fall. So are you understanding the point? If you are leaving it overnight also is a problem, because few people already have many problems, and if you're still applying oil and you're having problem is because of this. You must be leaving it overnight, or if at all you're not leaving it overnight, you're not washing it properly, because your scalp has to be clean, that dandruff doesn't form on it. And if once the dandruff is formed, or the dirt or the itchy scalp is formed, you'll have, of course, hair fall is a big problem. You are inviting problem. So after this, we are going to come with the next point is to reduce frizziness. Oiling is a main where you can reduce frizziness. Apply oil, apply any oil of your choice, castor oil or olive oil or coconut oil is best. It does wonders to all the hair problems, whatever you have, just apply and keep using it on regular basis. So how many times you have to oil? Weekly twice is more than enough. Weekly twice oil your hair. Once you oil your hair and once with a hair mask. Hair mask will come with the next step. The first part today I'm going to talk about is about oiling. So first, if you oil your hair, after this will come with a hair mask. So weekly twice you do with any kind of hair care regime. That is once you oil your hair and one time mask. That is for sure and compulsory. Do it for a week, and please leave it for some time. Don't keep oiling your hair 2 days. Let your hair breathe. Leave it. That is the main third point where it comes is let your hair breathe. So first point is detangle your hair. That's a very basic thing. Add in your hair care regime. The less is better, and let your hair breathe, because your hair also needs oxygen. So after this, How many times you have to oil? Only 2 times. That is more than enough for any kind of hair care problems you have or whatever it is. It's more than sufficient. 2 times you oil your hair. 1 time you oil, 1 time mask. And mask is must, because any kind of split ends you have or anything you have, just on the bottom, whenever you oil your hair, oil it on the scalp and from your roots till the ends, and take all your ends and oil this part also. Always do this and oil your hair, so that your roots also gets that moisture and nourishment, and your split ends is always, it will be closed. Just oil your hair on the bottom part also. So after this, what you have to do is, after applying how many times? 2 times is more than enough. So after this, after that, you immediately go for your hair wash. So the next procedure we are going to enter is go for a hair wash. So if you go for a hair wash, we can weekly once we can do a hair mask. So that one hair mask we can do is, one is which I showed, is honey, aloe vera, castor oil and coconut oil. This will give a deep conditioning, because castor oil is very thick in its oil components which it has in it. So the same time, if at all you are not used to honey, you can apply aloe vera gel, honey and castor oil. So that's more than enough. And if at all you have dandruff, aloe vera is very good for dandruff. So aloe vera, castor oil and coconut oil is more than sufficient for your dandruff. So that is one point where if at all you have dandruff, you can do that. Or if at all you have dandruff in excess, you can apply castor oil. Dandruff, for frizziness also you can do the same thing. See, applying oil, that's what I told. Applying oil is only on the scalp. When you're applying oil, only apply it on your scalp in circular motions to increase the blood circulation level. So apply it only on the scalp. That is more than sufficient. And if your roots is dry, then apply it on your tips of your roots like this. Just apply it like this. And if at all once in a week, do a hair mask, which I always tell, it is necessary to see the changes. If you apply a hair mask, like for dry hair, you can apply avocado, banana, curd. This all are for dry hair. If at all you have dandruff, you can apply aloe vera, coconut oil, lemon juice mixed with it for one time hair mask, for one in a weekly once. At the same time, if you have a normal hair, use honey, aloe vera, castor oil, coconut oil, mix all this and apply it on your hair like this, and till your ends, and tie a loose bun and put a shower cap on it. What shower cap does, why it is necessary, why do you need a shower cap, is because shower cap, which actually creates an atmosphere of warmth inside and penetrates all the whatever ingredients you have used in the mask, it penetrates inside your scalp and makes it more nourishable and makes your hair more soft and shiny. It does all its work and does it wonders by using a shower cap. So compulsory, whenever you are using a mask, the next most important tip is you have to use a shower cap. Why? Because it actually creates a warm atmosphere within, and it actually penetrates all the goodness whatever you have applied in the mask. It penetrates in your scalp and makes your scalp strong, nice and actually clean within. So that is one good point, because you will not get dandruff. So use a shower cap. And first thing is, you have to comb your hair, detangle your hair. The most important tip before oiling is detangle your hair and then start with the procedure. Whatever you're doing, let it be you're doing a oiling, let it be you're doing hair mask, or let it be you're washing your hair. Whatever you're doing, and sometimes you are in a hurry of running and just washing your hair. So what you have to do, even if at all you're doing that, please comb your hair once and then go wash your hair. The tangle, which is the effect of tangle thing, will actually reduce, and even after that you will find the process, you will not find too much of breakage. If too much of breakage happens, what happens, the next thing is, too much of breakage will lead to hair fall, lead to breakage of hair, thinning of hair and damaged hair. Because on the wet hair you're going to comb it again, or you're going to create tangles in your hair. Steaming hair is good. That is what I'm telling. If you put a shower cap, it'll automatically create that steamy effect on your head. So if that's the most important tip. That's what I'm telling. I'm just telling you very few basic things where you just change your routine. See, steaming sometimes directly, if you don't know how to use, when you go to a parlor, they put a round cap on you and they put a steam from behind a blast. So that is very far, and it just gives a common atmosphere. It builds a common atmosphere on your head. The same thing, if you really can't, just put a shower cap on your head and leave it. Apply a mask, any mask which I have told right now. For dandruff, I have told. For frizzy hair, I have told. For oily scalp, all this. If at all you have a dandruff hair, apply aloe vera, lemon juice, castor oil and coconut oil. If you don't have castor oil also, only coconut oil is good to go. And after that, if at all you have a very dry scalp, please do apply a banana or curd or avocado or castor oil mixed with it and honey. Honey makes it very soft and shiny. And after that, if you have a normal scalp, what mask I actually told on my Insta page, mask like aloe vera, honey and castor oil and coconut oil. So this is more than enough for any mask which you have to do. Is there any network issue? Am I not audible? Is there any problem, guys? Can you people hear me? Just give me a thumbs up. And washing your hair immediately. See, in oiling there are 2 points where you have to remember. First is detangle your hair, and after that, don't wash it immediately. Leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes and give a gap for 10 to 15 minutes and more than enough. I don't think so you need to keep it overnight. And the worst thing, if at all you keep it for overnight, is, as I told you, you are inviting problems. You are inviting all kind of problems. Please come to me, aa jao mere paas, give me all the problems, because overnight becomes like you are inviting dandruff, you are inviting hair fall, you are inviting hair thinning, you are inviting everything possible. So please never do that. And it's a basic tip where you need not oil your hair overnight. Morning is more than enough. Just before you go for office or any kind of routine you have, just apply just 15-20 minutes and go and have a regular routine, have a shower. So after that, don't rub your hair like this vigorously. Do it in very soft and circular motions, so that your hair, your scalp is saved, your roots doesn't pull out all the hair while applying oil. Okay, so do it in a very soft motion. After that, why still, actually few people may be thinking, I'm okay with it, I don't want to apply hair oil. Yeah, I'm okay with it. Why? There is a question. I insist that you apply hair oil, because hair oil, I can today tell you the truth, it doesn't do any wonders for growing hair. That much is for sure. It only does nourishment to your hair, that is for sure. As you need food, as your skin needs food, the same way today also I'm telling, your hair needs food. Hair oil does wonders for any hair growth or something, but only it gives nourishment. As we are living in India today, we have so much of pollution, so much of dust everywhere, so it becomes very necessary to oil our hair at least for 15 to 20 minutes and then go for hair wash. This is a very basic tip where I can tell you, apply a hair oil, just because of where we are living in our climatic conditions. We do need hair oil. We are not living in any out of India, so that we can manage by that. And it's not that they don't use any products, they do use any products, but it's just that comparatively to that those countries, India is in the higher rate of pollution. So please do apply oil. And second thing is massage. That is very necessary. And a very basic tip, I don't know how many people of you do this. After applying oil, you go and comb your hair. Please don't do that. Now I'm just talking about the part 1. Never comb your hair up after applying oil. Always comb your hair before applying oil, because after applying oil, your scalp becomes very vulnerable, very soft. So please don't comb your hair after applying oil. That's a very basic tip again, where don't apply oil after applying oil, don't comb your hair.